Hello, in this video we are drawing... Let's say again.
Hey our art friends, today we'll be drawing a sunfish.
That's right, sunfishes. The weird looking creatures of the sea. Yes, very interesting. And they actually look like this. Very big. As you can see, they are sometimes bigger than a human. And the interesting thing is when they're born, they're very tiny, very little. Fascinating creatures. Really weird looking. Don't look like a normal fish, but they are fishes. Alright, there we go. So, you ready to go? Let's get started.
Alright, let's get started.
Indeed. We've got our paper, we've got our marker. Let's draw our sunfish. Alright, so to get started, first of all we're going to draw sunfish is pretty much, you saw the photo before, pretty much round. So we're going to draw the top of his body first. So we're going to start here, roughly where its mouth is, and draw part of a semicircle, not quite a semicircle, but part of the circle there.
Half a semicircle.
Yeah. And now we're going to draw its fins on the back, and we're going to draw it starting from here, normally about four or five fins on its tail. Sunfish are a very strange, funny looking fish. Yeah, and then what we do is we continue the rest of the shape up to here, but we just leave a little gap for its mouth there. Yeah, indeed. And then the little mouth, if you want to, you can make a little smile like that. Alright, now they've normally got a big fin on the top here, so we're going to draw a fin here like this. See on top. And I normally like to add some lines in here for some detailing. And then we're going to draw another, they've got another kind of big fin down the bottom there as well normally. Just pretty much drawing a big U shape. And draw a couple of lines in there as well. Awesome. Alright, now we're just going to draw a little small line here. It's not going to join the ends here. It's just going to leave a little gap on either side. And that's just to indicate kind of where the body ends and where its tail is. Alrighty, normally fish, sunfish, they've normally got different patterns on it. I'm going to draw a semicircle on here. So that's the underneath side, and we can colour that a different colour in later on. And we're going to draw its eye here as well. And I also, there's lots of different ways of drawing eyes, so how you draw your eye is up to you. I'm going to draw a big round eyeball, like that. And draw a big cute pupil in there, like that. Well, and then I'm going to draw another little fin on the side here. It's kind of like a bit of a triangle shape. And then put some lines in there as well for some detail. Okay, and let's put some, he's underwater. This is just for fun. You can put other little details like little ear bubbles, or in the background they draw seaweed growing or other little fish there as well. Alrighty, so there we go, we've got our...
And we're back.
Yes, we're back indeed. We've finished colouring in our sunfish, and I've gone with a kind of bluish colour. Sunfish, I think they're normally like a whitish, bluish, greyish sort of colour, but I've added some little details on there as well. But tell me, what have you done with yours? It looks amazing.
I made it look like a sun because it's called a sunfish, and I added some seaweed.
Yeah, that's really cool. And yeah, logically you'll think, sunfish is called a sunfish because maybe it looks yellow like the sun, but no, I think it's more of the shape, or that it swims up to the surface, to the sun. But anyway, that's the cool thing. You can make it any colour you like, so just use your imagination if you want to make yours like blue or greenish or yellow, or orange, or pink, or whatever, you can do it. Bless you.
Thank you.
There you go. And also you've added some seaweed in there as well, so that's really cool. It looks like he's swimming under the sea. Well, hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing our sunfishes. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.